Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that impacts many aspects of our lives. Pretty privilege. Have you ever wondered why attractive people seem to get ahead in life? Well, you're in the right place. Let's explore this intriguing phenomenon together. Defining pretty privilege. First, let's define what we mean by pretty privilege. Simply put, it refers to the societal advantages that attractive individuals often receive over those who may not fit conventional beauty standards. But it's more than just surface-level looks. Let's see how this privilege manifests in everyday life. The psychological impact studies show that attractive people are often perceived as more competent, confident, and even more likable. But why is that? Let's hear from some experts. Research indicates that we tend to associate physical beauty with positive traits. This is known as the halo effect. When someone is deemed attractive, we unconsciously project other positive qualities onto them. Real-world examples. From job interviews to social situations, attractive individuals often find doors opened for them. For instance, studies show that good-looking candidates are more likely to get hired, receive promotions, and even earn higher salaries. Isn't that eye-opening? The flip side of pretty privilege. But hold on. Pretty privilege isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There's also a darker side to it. Attractive people may face higher expectations, pressure to maintain their looks, and even jealousy from others. It's essential to understand that everyone has their struggles, regardless of how they look. Breaking down beauty standards. As we explore this topic, it's crucial to challenge traditional beauty standards. Beauty is subjective and can vary greatly across cultures and communities. Let's celebrate diversity and appreciate the unique qualities that everyone brings to the table. Encouraging conversations. So, what do you think about pretty privilege? Have you experienced it or noticed it in your life? Let's start a conversation in the comments below. Remember, it's all about lifting each other up and recognizing our worth beyond physical appearance. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content. Until next time, stay confident, stay beautiful, and remember, true beauty shines from within.